and you'll be the first to know. And basically, if you give me some characteristics about you, I can talk about them in the video. The ones that you basically tell me things that you would want me to talk about, right, on YouTube. And I'll give you an Igbo name for that. And if there's like just general concepts or ideas that you would like to speak into the child that you're expecting's life, for them to manifest and things like that, let me know and I can make a video for that as well too. Just general concepts and things like that to kind of, invoke the power of our ancestors and the strength in our names, okay? So if you would like an Igbo name, let me know, and I can gift you one. If you are Igbo by association, one of your parents is Igbo, something like that, I can feature your name on the next Igbo name of the day. And again, if you would like one, I could feature your name, I'll give you one on the Igbo name of the day giveaway.